Good morning to you all. Today we will be learning about types of motion. Basically, there are two types of motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So let us understand first uniform motion. When a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be uniform motion. So let's understand this definition by taking an example. Here you can see an example. Suppose a body travels from 0 kilometer to 1 kilometer. That means the distance covered here is 1 kilometer, and the time taken is 9 to 10 am is 1 hour. Again, that body travels from 1 kilometer to 2 kilometer. That means the distance covered here is 2 minus 1. That means 1 kilometer, and the time taken is 10 to 11 is 1 hour. Similarly, that body travels from 2 to 3 kilometer. That the distance covered here is 3 minus 2 is 1 kilometer, and the time taken is 1 hour. Clearly you can see that covering equal distance, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer in equal interval of times, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So this type of motion is known as uniform motion. Now let us understand uniform motion graphically. Here I have taken x as time axis and y as distance. Here you can see that the uniform motion is in a straight line, which represent that uniform motion covers equal distance in equal interval time. So because of that, it is a straight line. Since it covers equal distance in equal interval of times, because of that, here the graph is in the form of a straight line. So uniform motion graph is in a straight line. I hope you understand the graph. Okay, now we'll go to the next topic, which is non-uniform motion. Here you can see that when a body travels unequal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be non-uniform motion. That means covering unequal distance in equal interval of time. Here the distance is different but the time is same. So let us understand this by taking an example. Here you can see that a body is standing at 0 kilometer. So if this body travels from 0 kilometer to 70 kilometer, that means the distance covered here is 70 kilometer, and the time taken is 1 hour. Again, that body moves from 70 kilometer to 150 kilometer. That means the distance covered here is 150 minus 70 is 80 kilometer, and the time taken is 10 to 11 is 1 hour. That means time is same but the distance covered is different. At first distance is 70 and second distance is 80. So covering unequal distance in equal interval of time. So this type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Let us see the graphical representation. Here you can see that the graph of non-uniform motion is in upward form or in zigzag form, but it is not in a straight line. Why it is not in a straight line? Because here the distance covered is unequal as compared to time. So because of that, here the graph is in a zigzag motion or upward, or it may be in a downward form, but it will never be a straight line because the distance is unequal. Here are some basic symbols which is very important to understand. Then these symbols are NCERT based. The topic which I am covering all are NCERT based. See, the symbol for distance is small s. The symbol for displacement is delta s. This triangle is known as delta, small delta. So delta s. Initial velocity is small u, final velocity is small v, time is small t, acceleration is small a. So all are small. So these symbols are very important for solving the numerical problems. Here you can see that speed is equal to velocity. The symbol for speed and velocity is same, small v. Now let's understand by taking a formula. We know the formula for speed is distance upon time. So let us represent this formula symbolically. Symbolically, speed is the symbol for speed is small v, so small v. The symbol for distance is small s, so small s. The symbol for time is small t, so small t. This is how we represent formula symbolically, which is very important to understand. Please note down these all symbols on your copy. If you like my video, then please subscribe it, share it, comment on it. Thank you very much.